Hello, this is Merat, Product Manager here at Kolena, and I want to show you how Kolena's agents can help you streamline your rental application processes. To start, I'm going to create a new agent. I'm going to give this agent a name. And the next step is to define my agent's tasks. And to do that, I'm going to provide it with a sample application file. This has a lot of information about the applicants. They're mostly in PDF, but know that you can use all sorts of different file formats in creating your agents and also defining tasks for them. I'm going to go ahead and create this agent. And with the agents created, you can see that we have a number of information. We have the background check, we have pay stub, credit score, um, bank statements, utility bills, IDs. There's a lot of information that is provided as part of this application process. I'm going to start by defining my agent's first task. I wanted to extract the full name. Notice that I just put something very high level in terms of what I want to extract. We take this hint in addition to all the application information to define a prompt that is best suited for this type of task. I'm going to go ahead and ask for some additional information. I want to get the salary. I want to also get check whether or not the credit score is above 700. Now I want to do some document processing next. And that is, I want to check if the license or the ID matches the rental application. I also want to check if the income information is correct. And lastly, I want to make sure if there are any criminal records. All right, as the agent is performing these tasks, I'm going to go ahead and look at the name. So we extracted the name properly, and then we cite all the documents that this name information is coming from to increase your confidence. We also provide reasoning. This is a powerful tool in iterating your instructions to the agent and also understanding how the agent is coming up with the outputs that it does. Now I'm going to check the annual salary here. We have 220, which is good for my application, but also we can see that the agent is capable of doing really understanding what's going on. So the letter of offer was for 100,000, but the latest pay stub was showing a higher pay, which means this person has received in a promotion. So we get the latest salary information for this candidate. We have the credit score check. We have the TransUnion and Equifax credit score. They're both in the two documents that are provided. These are above 700. So this part of the application or this information about the applicant is good for our purposes. Looking at the license, so we see that the middle name is missing from the residential application. So, and the driver license has the full name with the middle name. So we can provide a feedback to the agent and say, ignore the middle name if that is something that you would like to do. So with that simple feedback, my agent is going to look at the current extraction that it has, look at the output that it provided, and redo this task based on that feedback that I provided. And additionally, we can look at the income information. We see that the pay stub, the background check, the TransUnion, the credit score, they all are used to verify that the information provided in the lease application actually match the documents that the applicant has provided, which is could be a very time-consuming process that the agent can do seamlessly. And then going back to the extraction that I provided feedback for, so we see that with the middle name excluded, we get 3 matches for the actual first name, last name, and the address that the user has provided. So let's say this becomes my agent's tasks. I can export each task as a report. Then you can have this sent out to other members of the team. And then to run this at scale for additional applications, you can integrate this with systems that are out there for data source, email. You can do that with your Drive or any other renter application processing systems that are out there. To show you how easy it is to run this application on another applicant, just going to drag and drop another sort of rental application onto this agent. Um, and we can see that we just add all the agent's files and then we run all the extractions that we have set up for our agent on this new application. With the agent being done with that new applicant, we can see all the information that we extracted, all the tasks that we asked our agent to run being automatically run on any new application. And just like that, you have an agent that will be uh, helping you with processing large number of rental applications for each property. Thank you very much.